the end of the day, the only person who can change us is ourselves. And I think looking internally can be very challenging and very hard. I think that's where courage plays a really, really important part. As a start, you got to take full responsibility. You got to take a lot of responsibility for yourselves and working out how you can change the way you think, how you respond to things, learning of positive ways to deal with situations. To me, I think that's a challenge for not just for our clients, but I think it's a challenge for everyone. It's a challenge. I find that to be a challenge every day as well. When things don't go our way, it's like, oh, how, if I look at this week alone, we get thrown lots of curveballs. There's COVID, there's floods, there's sickness, there's under-resourcing, lots of stuff happening. But I can't control a lot of that, but we can control how we respond, how we deal with it. And I think when you get into that mindset of accepting and taking responsibility for how you adapt and deal with it, I think that's a starting point. We always say, there's a saying we have at the Glen here that we actually don't save lives, we don't change people. We just provide the environment for people to change themselves.
If this culture clip helped you, hit that like button below and we'll see you in the next clip.